Hi, my dear students. Let us begin exercise 2.7. From that, the first question, find point 4 division 2. Here, you can do the same way. Point 4 can be written in the form of fractions 4 upon 10. Why? Because 4 is in the 10th place division 2. If there is no denominator, so you have to consider as 1. We know that in the fraction of division, we can remove the symbol of division by writing the reciprocal of this 1 upon 2. Now 4 ones are 4, 10 twos are 20. 10 twos are 20. Now 4 upon 20 can be simplified. 4 ones are 4 fives are, so we will get 1 upon 5. 1 upon 5 can be written in the form of decimals. If you write in the form of decimals, so what you will get? You are going to get 5 ones are, here there is no 0, 1 cannot be, so let us take 1 0, we will get 10, so 5 twos. Answer is 0.2. If you do the direct division by ignoring the decimal point also, you are going to get the same answer, 0.2. Let us see here the second question. 0.35 can be written in the form of 35 upon 100 because 35 is in the 100 place. Again division symbol 5. If there is no denominator, let us consider as 1. After that 35 upon 100 can be divided, but as we know that the decimal symbol can be replaced with the multiplication. When we are replacing, we have to write the reciprocal of this. 1 goes up, 5 will be down. 35 ones are 35, 5 hundreds are 500. Now 35, 500, we have to simplify it to get the answer. 7 fives are, you can write in the form of another way also, but let us see. 7 fives or 5 sevens are 5 ones are, we will get 7 upon 100. So we will get, if there are 2 zeros, then we have to leave the 2 place after the decimal, we will get 0.07. Here let us go for the third question. 2.48. 2 is a whole number, 48 becomes the numerator, it is in the 100th place, so division symbol 4. If there is no denominator, so we have to consider as 1, and now it is mixed fraction. Let us convert 100 to 200, 248 upon 100. Let us replace the symbol of division. Then we have to write the reciprocal of this fraction. 1 goes up, 4 comes. 248 upon 400. Now 248 upon 400 can be simplified. How to simplify it? 4 tens are 100, 4 eights are, 4 fives are 20, 4 six are 24, so then 2. 4 6 are 4 2s are, so we will get, so 62 upon 100 we will get after the decimal 2 places, so we will get the answer 0.62. Now let us go for the fourth question. 65 is the whole number, 4 will become the numerator, it is in the 10th place, so the denominator is 10, then 6. If there is no denominator, you have to consider as 1. 65 tens, it is mixed fraction, so let us convert 650 plus 4 upon 10. Then let us replace the division symbol by writing the reciprocal. 1 goes up, 6 comes down. 654 upon 60. Then let us simplify 654 upon 60. That is, you can go for 6 tens are, then 6 ones are, 6 nines are. So we will get 19. So if only 1 is there, so the answer will be 1.9 if you go for the simplification. Now let us go for the fifth question. 651 can be written in the form of mixed fraction. It is in the 10th place. Division 4. Let us convert 6,510 plus 2 will get 12. Then the denominator will be the same. Let us replace the symbol. So 4, if there is no denominator, so we have to consider 1 upon 4. 1 upon 4. So 6,512 upon 40. Product of numerator, product of denominator. Let us simplify 6,512 upon 40 by 4 tens are, 4 ones are, here we'll get 2, 4 6 are, 4 twos are, then again we have got that 3 4 8s are. So we will get, then here only 1 0 is there, so we can write 162.8. Hope you understood how to do this. Now let us go for the sixth question, that is 14.49. 14 can be written as a whole number, then it is in 100th place. So let us write division 7. If there is mixed fraction, let us convert 1400 plus 49, you will get 1449 upon 100. Then let us replace the symbol of division. If there is no denominator, so if we consider as 1 goes up, reciprocal, so we will get the answer 1449 upon 700. Product of numerator, product of denominator, so we will get the 700. Now 700 ones are, then will be 100 will be left out, 7 twos are, and 7 207, then we will get 2.07. Hope you understood why we have got, because there are 2 places in the form of decimals. Now let us go for the 7th question. 3.963 is the whole number, 96, then 100 because it is in the 100th place. Let us, if there is no denominator, consider as 1. This mixed fraction, if we convert 396 upon 100, let us replace the symbol, then we have to write the reciprocal. We will get 396 upon 400. 396 upon 400, if we write 4 ones are, so we will get only 100, means 100. Then we have to simplify, 4 nines are 36, again 3 is left out, so 99. We will get the answer 0.99, because here 2 zeros are there, so we have to write 0.99. Let us go for the last question. 80, if we write it in the form of fraction, it is in the 100th place. 5, if there is no denominator, consider as 1. Then 80 upon 100, we'll replace the symbol of division. Then we have to write the reciprocal. So numerator become denominator, denominator become numerator. So 81 is a product of numerator, product of denominator. If we simplify 80 upon 500, then we will get 5 ones are 100, 5 ones and 5 sixes. So we will get 16. So after the 0.16, hope you understood how we have got 0.16. This is the method of doing the division. Hope you know that division is nothing but repeated of subtraction. Now we are learning the decimals and fractions and decimal lesson, so we have to follow this method. It is very much helpful. Hope you understood. Thank you, my dear students.